I hope all of you are doing well today. For today's video, I've got some work from home job opportunities to share with you. The first job is with Sher Careers, and they are looking for a sales associate. The key responsibilities for this job is to identify and reach out to potential customers through calls, emails, and internal channels, to build and maintain strong relationships with clients to understand their needs and provide tailored solutions, to meet or exceed sales targets by effectively closing deals and following up on clients, to collaborate with the team to develop and implement sales strategies, to maintain accurate records of customer interactions and sales activities in the CRM system, and to stay up to date on product knowledge, industry trends, and competitor activities. Regarding the qualifications for this job, you must have proven experience in a sales or customer-facing role. Remote sales experience is a plus. You must have excellent communication and interpersonal skills. You must have the strong ability to build rapport and establish trust with clients. You must be self-motivated, goal-oriented, and be able to work independently. You must be comfortable using CRM software and other sales tools. And you must have a reliable internet connection and a dedicated workspace. Regarding what they offer incentive compensation with commission and performance-based bonuses. They offer comprehensive 1099 and work from home opportunities with flexible schedules. They offer leads that allow you to focus on the task to generate results. They offer ongoing training and leadership development opportunities. And they offer a collaborative and supportive team environment. This is a full-time entry-level position. The next job is with Global Life, and they're looking for a call center sales agent. To the best of my knowledge, you don't have to live in Texas to be eligible for this job, even though this company is located in Texas. Regarding what you will do, you will sell insurance products to new and existing customers. You will handle inbound calls and make follow-up calls. You will be responsible for closing business and generating revenue for the company. You will close new accounts by interacting with customers, primarily via telephone or email, and you'll perform other duties as required. Regarding what they want from you, they want you to have a high school diploma or something equivalent to that. They want you to be able to work in a fast-paced environment. They want you to be proficient with technology with emphasis in Microsoft Excel, Outlook, and Adobe. They want you to have excellent written and verbal communication skills with the ability to speak clearly, and they want you to have an excellent phone voice. They want you to be a self-motivated team player, goal-oriented, and be driven to succeed. They want you to be confident and passionate, and they want you to have organizational skills with the ability to multitask by talking, using technology, and listening. Regarding the desired skills they would like for you to have, they would like for you to have sales experience, insurance experience, and call center experience. Now remember, these are desired skills and not required skills. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits include comprehensive health, dental, and vision insurance plans, robust life insurance benefits and retirement plans, including company match 401k and pension plan, wellness club reimbursements and gym discounts, paid holidays and time off, and development training programs. The pay rate for this job is from $14 to $18 an hour. The next job is with Alarica, and they're looking for a healthcare customer service representative. To be considered for this job, you must be located in one of the following states that you see here on the screen. For this job, You will assist customers with issues and concerns they are experiencing during the use of the product and/or service. You will document call-related information for auditing and reporting purposes. You'll maintain and update customer information as necessary. And you'll upsell current customers on new or enhanced services. Regarding the qualifications of this job, you must have a high school diploma or GED. Customer service experience is a plus. You must have strong computer navigational skills. You must have familiarity with Microsoft Office applications like Word and Excel. You must have excellent oral and written communication skills. You must have exceptional listening and comprehension skills. You must be professional and courteous. And you must be customer oriented. Regarding the work environment requirements, there will be ongoing usage of phone and computer systems. Your work at home environment must be in a private residence located at the address listed on your personnel file. Alarica will provide the equipment you need to conduct your work, which may include a webcam. You will need to provide an broadband internet connection that is DSL or cable only. You cannot have satellite, dial-up, or wireless internet connections. And your workstation must be connected directly to the internet with proof that your ISP meets a minimum download speed of 10 megabits per second and a minimum upload speed of 3 megabits per second. This job comes with great benefits. These benefits are health, dental, and vision coverage, along with HSA, PTO, paid holidays and sick time, optional daily pay or weekly pay, a 401k retirement plan, leadership programs, paid training and tuition reimbursement, employee discounts program, which includes but not limited to groceries, travel, insurance, phone plans, health and wellness, and pet supplies, an employee assistance program, and additional voluntary benefits. This is a full-time position that pays $15 an hour. Please note that you must apply for this job before March 31st, 2025. The next job is with Kokomore, and they are looking for a customer service representative. Even though this company is located in Texas, I don't believe that you have to live in Texas to be eligible for this job. For this job, you will compile, sort, and verify the accuracy of customer issues and data before it is entered. You will act as an assistant to the HR manager. You'll maintain logs of activities and completed work. You'll perform typing and data entry of confidential client and financial data. You'll perform other administrative tasks as assigned. You will do general work, data entry. You will receive calls, texts, and emails on their behalf. And you'll book appointments and flight reservation. Regarding the requirements, you must be able to maintain confidentiality concerning financial information. You must display a high level of integrity and honesty. You must be organized and be able to prioritize tasks efficiently and follow through on commitments. You must be a highly motivated self-starter who proposes solutions rather than waiting for others to solve problems. And you must be flexible, adaptable, and actively intervene to create and energize positive change. In addition to this, you must have a computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. An internet connection is also required. You should be okay with working on your own from home without immediate in-person supervision. You must be able to read and follow written instructions. And you must be able to type at least 25 words per minute. This is a full-time position with the pay range from $28 to $35 an hour. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. Just press that subscribe button below this video. That way, when I put out content in the future, you won't miss out on any of it. So please remember to subscribe. As always, I want to thank you for watching. I want to thank you for listening. I hope that you have a blessed, wonderful day.